So, nobody can be exalted personality without Krishna consciousness. That is not possible. This is the verdict of the Vedic knowledge. Harava bhaktasya kuto mahad guna manorathena asato dhavato bahi. Those who are not devotees of the Lord, they cannot have any good qualities. That is not possible. Why? There are so many big men, doctorate, having so big titles from university. No. The Shastra says, yes, Harava bhaktasya kuto mahadgana. Why they have no good qualities? Because manorathena, they are hovering over the mental platform. They have no realization of the spiritual platform. Therefore you'll find all these great scientists, philosophers, they are simply concocting with mind. The mind has no value. With mind you cannot reach spiritual platform because it is material. With material instrument you cannot go to the spiritual platform. That is not possible.